Hi guys, welcome back to TechTotalTools. My name is Ram Babu. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Without delay, we start the session. In this video session, I will explain what is Docker, how to install Docker on Ubuntu server. What is Docker? Docker is an open source lightweight containerization technology. It automates the deployment of applications in lightweight and portable containers. What is Docker engine? Docker daemon or Docker engine represents the server. The Docker daemon and the clients should be run on the same or remote host, which can communicate through command line, client binary and full RESTful API. This is my AWS Management Console. First, I'll launch the instance. Yes, this is the free type. Select that Ubuntu server. I select that Ubuntu server. Yes, T2 micro. This is type T2 micro. Configure instance details. Yeah, this is my own subnet already created. Tags, default tags. I don't want to change. Security groups. Change. Just review and launch. Yeah, this is this pumpkin file. I launch the Ubuntu instance. This is my local server. I copy the public IP address and paste it here and go to SSH authentication. I already downloaded the PEM file. Take the PEM file, open that one. Just verify. It's running. Yeah, it's running. Open that server. Yes. Running is Ubuntu. Also change the settings. Appearance. Change settings. 16. No. Yes. How to install Docker? How to install Docker? How go to official website? If we learn any technology, definitely we will search. This is the Docker official website. Yes. How to install installation methods using repository. We prefer only repository. First, we update the repositories. Have to get update. The update. It is updated all repositories, all packages. Control L and next option is this one. Next command is this. Install CS certificates curl and So completed. This is the Docker official GPG key. Add the GPG key. Control L. Yes, added. Key also added. Next step. Yes. This copy. Stable repository. Yeah. Yes. So added. Again update the privileges. Just install the Docker. This is Docker official documentation. You can follow every installation part. I will follow this official documentation. Yes. Wait some time. Installation process is going on. Yes. How we will check it Docker is installed or not? How we will check it? Yes, service. Sudo system ctl. Status Docker. Yes, it will come in. Just run the hello world app. Copy this. Yes, successfully deployed the hello world app. I am designing this course based on my experience. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.